Welcome to Crestron Toolbox tutorial. The infiNET EX Diagnostic Tool is built into Crestron Toolbox. It allows you to view, configure, and troubleshoot devices on an infiNET EX network. First, you'll need to connect to your gateway. You can do this with a processor that has a built-in gateway or connect to a gateway directly. Once you connect, you will see the devices that are connected, as well as the signal link quality. You can update firmware, add devices or change channels, and analyze and refresh all from this main menu. To configure a device, press the Add Devices/Change Channel button. We've unpaired the keypad that we had paired already off screen, so that we can show you how to pair devices. You'll see the current channel here under RF channel. To pair devices, the best channel to use is 11. However, you generally would not leave everything on channel 11. For more details, consult the RF Best Practices Guide from Crestron Online Help. Put simply, you generally pair on 11 and then change it to your desired channel. Let's pair a device. First, you'll need to put the gateway into acquire mode. To do this, push the Start Acquire button. Then, go to the device you want to pair and follow the process in the documentation for that device. For the keypad we're pairing, we need to push the top button in the following sequence. Tap, 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 press and hold for 10 seconds, then release the button. The keypad will then show up under Acquired Devices. Notice how the infiNET ID is set to 05. This needs to match the ID set in your program. Now that it is acquired, we can take the gateway out of Acquire mode. Also, since we wanted to use channel 15 in this case, we will change the channel back to 15. Notice how it says Updating Channel. This will not happen immediately, but won't take very long to do. You can hit the Close button when complete. To change the ID on the acquired device, right-click on it and choose the ID option. Once you change it, press Apply. It will take a minute or so for the gateway to perform this task, and it won't immediately say Success. Close the window and wait a minute. Then press Refresh to make sure the ID got changed. As you can see, the ID is now 09. Remember, this ID must match exactly what your programmer has in the program. You may have noticed there is a category for number of hops. You will need to make sure the hops do not exceed the maximum number of hops per device. The infiNET EX protocol allows for devices to be at a maximum of 6 hops from the gateway. Neighbor count is the total number of neighboring devices, including the gateway. In a mesh network, all devices keep track of the other devices within range in the event that they need to reroute communications data through the neighboring devices. The help file can be accessed by pressing F1, and it will give more details on hops and other information about the tool. Thank you for watching.